Today. Hi, welcome to my channel if you're new to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're not new to my channel. Today we have Allure Beauty Box, and I just said booty box, and I hope you enjoyed that intro because that just made my whole day. Now pause. Before we get into this YouTube video, I need you to subscribe to my channel, go follow my Instagram, go follow my Twitter, go follow my Depop, go follow my Snapchat, go follow all my social media, and don't forget to follow my TikTok because I post there most consistently out of all my social medias. Now let's get into this Allure Beauty Box before I trip over my words anymore. So Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. The first one costs, I believe, $13, and then every box after that costs $15. It comes with, I believe, 1 to 2 full-sized items, but the rest of them are deluxe sample-sized items. It comes in a little box, and, well, it's a little bit smaller than BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is also much more expensive. It opens like this. It opens a little weird. Then inside is the pamphlet that talks about the month and what the products are, and some promo codes, which I believe in this month there is only one that I see. Just kidding, there's multiple promo codes. But let's get right into the box. So in the box, it comes all bandaged up like this and all packaged like this, but I'm not going to show you what it is. So this month it looks like it's red paper, and let's just pull out a random item. So the first item in the box is the Kate Somerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and it comes in this little package. It is sample size. The original price of this item is $75 for 1.7 ounces. And this one is 7.5 fluid ounces. I do have an exfoliator that I'm working on right now, but I want to look at what this packaging looks like. If I can get it open. I got it open. And inside, in a little squeezy tube. Wow, this is like a pretty full squeezy tube. I'm impressed. It's fully filled. In a squeezy tube is this tube. In the squeezy tube, it's full. It is the Kate Somerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. It tells you how to use it. It's 1 to 2 times a week, and you just massage it into the face. But this is super expensive. Since I'm working on an exfoliator, I'm not even going to open that because I don't want it to expire. It says that it lasts 12 months to a year. 12 months is a year. Oh my god, today is not my day for filming, what I have realized. That was my first item, and it looks like we're starting off with the skincare items. So let's pull out the next skincare item. The next one is this Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar water cream. So this just looks like it's a skincare item, yes, but what kind? The original price of this is $39. However, you can get enter the code Allure at checkout. Sorry, I'm reading my paper. Allure at checkout to receive free shipping plus a free deluxe mini of your choice with any $39 purchase. So if you purchase this full-sized item, you get free shipping and a deluxe mini. That's super nice. Full size. I don't know if this is definitely not full size. It says 7 milliliters, just so you know. The reason I'm not wearing any makeup today, by the way, is because when I open Beauty Box, sometimes I try stuff on, but it's looking like everything is skincare, so I might not have to try anything on, which is not great, but like, it works. Yeah, this is definitely not full-sized, but it looks like that. Just a little squeezy tube. I definitely will try it. I do have a moisturizer that it says on here, moisturizer, that I'm using. Will not be using that right now. It's another sample that I don't want to open because like once you open a sample, it expires quicker, or the expiry date starts. However, if I leave it closed, then I can push off the expiry date. The next item in a cute little packaging as well. I do like that everything like comes packaged. Sometimes with other brands like BoxyCharm, the items aren't in their original packaging. The last item, or not the last item, the third item is the Allure Skin Pure and Lip Restoration. And the original price of this is $30. The original price of this is $30. It doesn't say what the other price is, and it comes in a lip tube. Oh my god, I actually like this. I don't have any lip balms that I'm working on right now. I like it. It's like a little wax. I'm definitely going to try this, and if I don't like it, I will pass it on to my boyfriend. I think this is full-sized, and it costs $30. Oh, it's super creamy. It's super buttery and creamy, and I definitely will be using this. This is like already the price of the box plus another one and another one. Out of all of them, I really like that. I think I will keep that. That's one that I think I'm keeping right now. It's one out of the 3 items that's my favorite so far. The card does come with a coupon. It is Allure 01 to receive 10% off your order. I need to stop reading here, but it's happening. The next item is the Vitabread Dual Drop Serum Age Defining Deep Hydration. And this one is where I saw the coupon code. And the original price of this is $62 for the full size. However, if you type in the code Allure20, it drops down to $9.90. I think you still have to pay for shipping, but that's like a great price. Wow, it's so cute. Okay, it's a little upsetting because okay, so I don't have any serums right now that I'm working on except for the Kypris serum from BoxyCharm. However, this one is super high quality because it's not like my dropper from Cover FX where it doesn't work. It like works inside of here. Anyway, so it is just a serum, a classic serum. I don't know if I will be keeping this or not, but if I do keep it, I will update you. Okay, the next item is actually a hair care item, which I have almost no use for. So I have very oily hair to the point where I have to wash it like every day and sometimes twice a day. But this is the Natural Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Its price is $16 full sized, and it has a really cool tube right there. That's what it looks like. But if you put Allure 20 in, you get 15% off your order. I don't think I'll be using this. I will be passing this one on because it's heat protectant. I'll either pass it on or put it on my Depop. It is for like dry hair who have color protectant, but it's color protectant safe, so I think that's super cool. Now, this is the reason I'm still subscribed to this month. I did see a spoiler, and this is the reason I kept my box this month, because this product alone justified the value for me, and this one made it perfect. Like, these 2 items are my favorite items of the month. The other ones I don't know if I'll be keeping. I'm actually excited to try this one because serums, you don't need a lot of serum usually. So I think these are the 3 items I'm most excited for. The other ones are just kind of like sample items you get. If I had colored hair, I would definitely be like, oh, this is super cool, but this is what I'm most excited for. So this is the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. It comes in the original packaging, which BoxyCharm, they gave us a Too-Faced mascara a couple months ago, and it didn't come in the packaging, and people were pretty upset about that, and by people, I mean me. I have a lot of mascaras I use right now, but I'm about to finish 2, so I'm going to open this one. This is one that I'm going to open. So this was the, like, variation of the month. However, if you subscribe through Amazon, everyone gets the same variation. Its price is $23, and it is full size. Sorry. Anyway, it looked twisted weird. Okay, wait, I'm going to show you if I can on camera. So if you can, I don't think you can see it on camera, but on one side, it's twisted more than onto the other side, but I think it was just like faulty manufacturing. It wasn't like someone had opened it. It is, I think, made out of wood or fake wood. Super cool. I don't think I have a Tarte mascara. It has a chunky wand and applies super easily. Oof, it has a strong smell. Do you know what it smells? I'm not like fully putting on my mascara right now, but I really like that. Something that has a similar smell to this is the ABH Brow Gel. Has such a strong smell, and I just rubbed that off on my finger. Yeah, ABH has a very strong brow gel smell that smells exactly like this. It's very like alcohol-y smell. But I'm so excited about this because this is a full-sized item. And if you put in the code TARTEXALLURE 2020, you receive for 15% off your code. 15% off your thing. 15% off your purchase. Oh my god, today is not my day to film a video. Okay, so from most excited to least excited, I am most excited to try this out consistently. Then would be the Allure lip balm because it's nice to have one of these like restoration lip balms. Then would be this Vitabread C12. The Philosophy moisturizer would be super nice to try. I'm putting it on my hand like this. The Exfoliation by Kate, it's just like one of those overpriced items that you don't really need. And then lastly, okay, I'm gonna put this down because they're about to fall. Lastly, would be this color protectant oil mist because I have absolutely no use for it. My dead ends are pretty healthy. We'll see what I end up doing with this. But yeah, I'm really glad you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was a little bit of a mess today. I really hope you stick around and watch more of my videos because I'm here to stick around for a little bit. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and like the video. If you don't want to do that, check out my other social media. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.